Welcome to our step-by-step guide on programming a personal AI health assistant using biofeedback data. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of building an AI assistant that can analyze your biofeedback data for personalized health insights. Our goal is to create a smart system that takes raw biofeedback data, processes it, and provides actionable, individualized health recommendations. Biofeedback data, like heart rate and sleep patterns, are crucial. They provide the necessary context for the AI to understand your body's unique state and needs. Let's begin with step 1, setting up your development environment. This is the foundation of your project. You'll need Python, along with libraries like Pandas for data manipulation and scikit-learn or TensorFlow for machine learning. Consider where your biofeedback data will live. Will you use local storage for privacy or a cloud database for accessibility and scalability? Moving on to step 2. Data acquisition and pre-processing. Getting the right data is paramount. You need to program connections to your biofeedback sensors, like smartwatches or other health APIs, to start pulling in real-time data. Raw data is often messy. You must implement robust code to clean, filter, and structure the data into a format your AI model can understand. Step 3 is where the intelligence is built, designing the AI model that will power your assistant. Selecting the correct machine learning algorithm, such as a time series analysis model, is essential for predicting health trends. Train your model using historical biofeedback data to enable it to recognize healthy and problematic patterns unique to you. Next, step 4, building the assistant interface. This is how the user will interact with your AI. The interface should clearly and concisely display the AI's insights using simple visualizations like charts and graphs. Implement features for real-time feedback, such as instant alerts if your heart rate spikes or if your sleep quality significantly drops. Finally, step 5, iteration and deployment. No project is complete without testing and refinement. Rigorously test the assistant's accuracy against your actual health data and ensure the user experience is seamless and reliable. Once stable, deploy your application to your intended platform, whether it's a mobile app, web application, or desktop program. Congratulations! You've completed the steps to program your personal AI health assistant. Your assistant can now collect biofeedback data, predict health trends, and offer personalized advice to keep you healthy. For advanced features, consider integrating deep learning models for even more complex pattern recognition or adding natural language processing for voice commands. Thank you for watching this guide. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more AI and coding tutorials.